So as you can see, I already Twixture my video. If you want a Twixture tutorial, comment down below. So let's start. Add exposure. Set the value to 3 and add keyframe. Go to the end of the layer. Set the value to 0. Press U to view keyframes. Select the keyframes and press F9. Go to Graph Editor. Hold Shift and drag. Now add in another exposure. Set the value to 3. Add keyframe. Double tap on U to view keyframes. Go to the beginning of the layer. Set the value back to 0. Select the keyframe and press F9. Go to Graph Editor, hold Shift and drag. Now hold Shift and copy these effects. Then paste on the other layers as well. And adjust the keyframe. Now for the shake, add blur curves. But you must have Sapphire plugin. Or you can use Transform Effect after understanding the basics. So don't skip. Okay, so copy my setting. Now make a keyframe on Shift Y and set the value to -1900. Hold Ctrl and press N key to go 1 frame forward and set the value to 600. Go 2 frames forward and set the value to -200. Now go 3 frames forward and set the value to 20. Go 4 frames forward, set the value back to 0. So the values goes like minus, plus, and 0. So we get a shake effect. Even if you apply these basics in the transform effect, you will get this result. So it's not about the plugin, it's about the knowledge. Now select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Now duplicate the blur curves and click on this clock to remove all the keyframes. First we gave -1900, and now we have to give +1900. So go to the end and set the value to 1900. Add a keyframe. Go back 1 frame and set the value to -600. Now go back 2 frames and set the value to 200. Go back 3 frames, set the value to -20. Go back 1 frame and set the value back to 0. Select all keyframes, press F9 to easy ease. If you want to increase the speed of this shake, select all keyframes. Hold Alt and adjust the keyframes. And do the same for this shake as well. Now copy these 2 effects and paste to other layers as well. Adjust the keyframes. The shake effect is complete. Now follow me for smooth zoom transition. That's it. Subscribe.